scrambled eggs. First of all, little secret, butter. Butter is the key to the whole thing when it comes to scrambled eggs. Use butter. Okay. And of course, I'm going to start it off on low heat. And then we're going to raise the heat once we start to scramble them up. Get that butter up in there now. There you go. Some butter. Low heat. Just real quick. Took a few bites out of this, so and there you go, you guys. Nice little avocado, salsa, some chips, some tortillas. I got some butter over here, but there you go. Nice, beautiful. And I'm hungry though. I'm gonna eat this up real quick. You can see how perfect those came out.